Yo everyone, now I'm back doing what I normally do. Yeah. And obviously Saturday I've got the meet, depending on the weather, because up by us it's absolutely lashing it down with like rain, so all depends on that and everything else. Yeah, that's literally our weather. So that's what we've exactly got. Hey, you've got lovely rain. Don't get me wrong, the rain is nice. But obviously everything else ain't, so it's so annoying. Because I'm just hoping that it ain't raining the weekend. Fingers crossed. Say that and it will. Yeah, saying that, and it may rain the weekend. Well, obviously I'll let all the ones know that I'm cancelling the meet if it rains, and I will let you guys know that watch my channel that I'm not doing obviously the meet and that lot. So that's pretty much basically it. I'm gonna be, yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Coffee. There's my little coffee. Yeah, so now obviously I'll put my coffee montage into it. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing now. You possibly won't see me because of the light, but if you can't see me you can still sort of hear me. Yeah. That's what I want. One of them. Coming down with me. My bottle of pop. So I fit in my bedroom. Yeah. So like, because obviously my other camera that I used to have, I kind of gave it to my brother because he wanted a camera, and I thought, I've got this one, I don't need like kind of two cameras. And then that's my other one that I'm using when I'm on the meat as well, in case this dies. So in that lot. Still alive, eh? Yeah. I don't know where our two pair are. There. Yeah, I don't know where our two are. Yeah. Still charging. What's on blinking charge? Nothing. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I know. Like, yes, there is a quick little vlog. That's only because I was doing my meetup originally up town centre, but I thought, what's the name, lights are on, why don't I switch on lights, and why don't it's easier for me to get to it and that lot. A little coffee by Dad. A little coffee by Dad. Dad's got a bug. Yeah, don't diss. Yeah, because I have got a Batman. No. A comic, like a Marbles, what's the name? Like a Marbles Verbal Flask. Yeah, so. We'll do a bit of this. We'll do. Yeah, you can still see me, like. Even though I've got my bottle of pop, but I'm sort of not using my bottle of pop. Oh, that's fucking horrible. Fucking nice to be done. Fucking washing up liquid, man. Attempt number 2 with coffee and kettle. Yeah. Attempt number 2 with the kettle. Well, with my coffee, because of, you know, it was my error. Oh, hit the camera almost, but could be butching it again. Rescue food. Never have black coffee. One thing I never do is have kind of black coffee. I know that's sort of on the pee, but I've deliberately put it on the piss. I thought I'd give you a little. Do you want a camera? A sort of. Yep, that would do. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna wrap it up now. And that'll because how long it's gone on for. And either bring it back later or I might not, I don't know. It depends on what I feel like. So ciao ciao for now.